Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing camera shortcut on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. After click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. After click on lock screen, if you want to fix missing camera shortcut, so click on shortcut and click on now app. If you want to add, click on this plus icon, scroll down and you will see camera app is here. Click on camera app and click on done. You will see camera shortcut is add. After add camera shortcut, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing camera shortcut on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.